Hello everybody and welcome to DevBlox episode 3. So in this episode we are going to be doing a few things. Mainly I think we're going to be installing some plugins for the game to use. Because some of this stuff I'm just not coding, I can't be asked really. So what we're going to do is we're not going to be doing much with this today, but we're going to be exploring some plugins. So I'll be back in a second. Right, everybody, we are now in my web browser. I'm going to be getting some plugins for our game to play on. So, what we're going to do, first thing, we are going to look at these plugins. Now, a lot of them are really good, however, I don't want a load of these. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this RP name. A lot of roleplay Roblox have this. So, basically, we're going to hit install. Well, we can't hit install, so we're going to copy this link. And I'm going to, you can't see this bit, but I'm going to open a little document. If I can find my thingy. We've got a notepad document. You can't see it, but it's got the links we're going to download. So, RP name. So we're going to get that one, because we have a nice roleplay name thing. In fact, we're going to go back over to the RP name one. Okay, things like, go here, we need to get this model. So we're going to look at this model. It's going to open up a new tab, RP name Roblox. It's that UI, yep. Okay. So, we're going to get this because we need this. The reason why we need this one is this is what we're going to put in there. We can actually change this GUI so it looks a bit better and looks how we want it to. So we can have it how we want it, which is nice. So it doesn't look just like the same. So it's better. So anyway, let's wait. We're gonna go back to the library so we can look at some more. Right, what else do we want? So we're trying to see what we want. To be honest, I don't think there's much I want. So I think I'm happy with that. I mainly wanted to get that. Who knows, we might get some more plugins in the future. But plugins are great because you can get stuff that are beyond you. We want Road Defender. I'm just going to get Road Defender. So that's there. So basically, if we import tools and there's something that's bad for the game, Road Defender will get rid of it. So we want Road Defender plugin version 8-7. So I'm just going to grab that, put it on here, put on my little notepad. There we go. So we're going to be able to get that later. So what else would I like? Resize models. It doesn't really help much in the game, but it does help. So we're going to get that. Meaning we can resize models. So this is so we can get some plugins. So this isn't something that helps so much, but it's there because it makes life easier, which is fair enough, because people know how annoying this can get sometimes. So I'm going to go back over here because I saw this. I like this cutscene editor plugin, because we might have a few cutscenes in this game, or maybe in a different game. So I'd like this. Put cutscene editor plugin fix. Take that. Okay. So I've got 4 plugins now. I'm going to use these 4 plugins. So I'll be back. I'll see you again in Roblox Studio. Right guys, so I'm back now, and now we're going to install these plugins. So what we're going to do, you see this long line up here by our address. We just want to go through, and we want to delete all this. Everything here just needs to go. And I'm having severe computer lag at the moment. I do not know why, but I'm going to have to sort it out. So, I might sort it out now, I might sort it out in a minute, but this is getting on my nerves. Come on. Now I start by just going to close a few windows I don't need open, so things now will work. There we go. So, less lag now, lag reduced. So now we're going to go to this address, hit enter, and it's going to load this page. And now, as you can see, unlike before, we can hit install now. So I hit this install button. It's going to come up. Okay, plugin installed. RP name has been successfully installed. Please open a new window to begin using this plugin. So we can now use this plugin. We're going to get Road Defender run. So in fact, guys, I'm going to go download all these plugins, install them all, and I'll be back in a minute. Right, so guys, we've installed our plugins, as you can see. So we have model resize, roleplay name, Road Defender, and it will come back. It will load cutscene editor plugin. I don't think we're going to use this. However, it might not work. I don't know. Okay, but anyway, to start using these, we're going to close this little window here, and we're going to go up to View, and hit Start Page, and wait for our Start Page to load. We're going to go to Games, Group Games, load, Group Games, Life in the World. Okay, so now we're loading this. I'm just going to close this notepad window to get some. There we go, model resize installed. Tell us that we've installed it. We can actually close this. So we have a cutscene editor thing, but I'll just show you so we can see FOV. So we might do something with this, but it's quite good. So watch this. Do this. We'll go to point 2, and we can do preview cutscene. 3, 2, 1. See, it's actually quite cool. However, while that is amazing, we don't want it. So, cutscene edit, we're going to get rid of it. And you actually see here, hitbox bin. We need to get rid of this because this is the cutscene. This is the cutscene. So, we're going to get rid of the cutscene. So, just don't want for work. Do you work? Okay, we're just going to leave that for now. But then we have some model resize, toggle GUI, help. We have a few things there. Going to figure out a way to get rid of this hitbox bin. I need to figure that out. I'll get rid of that later. That shouldn't be a problem there now. In fact, I'll probably just leave that. Oh. Okay, so now we need to insert our GUI for, I think. So we're going to go to models, and we're going to go to, we're going to scroll down here. If this will load. 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 Are you going to load? Hello? Hello? Do you still work, Roblox Studio? Hello? Ah, there we go. My models. Thank you. Now load. So this is when I used this when I was new but coding on Roblox. So ignore this. However, we want to use RP name. Now this is a GUI that somebody spent a long time on. I'm going to chuck it into start a GUI for now. It says down there roleplay name. So what I'm actually going to do is we're going to fiddle around with this, and we're going to make this how we want it to be. So this is a local script that just configures this. So you just need to ignore that. That's the script. But this text box, we're gonna configure this how we want it to be. So to do this, we do need to bring our properties bar back. I don't know why it's there. Oh my god, that's big. Fix that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sort our frame out. And I'd like this to be a bit bigger. I want this to be bigger. So what we're going to do is we're going to find where it's putting this at. So, guys, I don't know why my computer is lagging out like this for all the time. I mean, seriously, this is getting on my nerves. This is getting on my nerves. This is getting on my nerves. Hello? What is killing my computer? Okay, this I'm not going to get anywhere with this. Right, we're going to make... You done? Thank you. Seriously, this is getting on my nerves. Right. X offset 200. 200. I know what, guys. I'm gonna restart my computer. I'll be back in a second once this wants to work. Back in a bit. Okay, I am back. Thing is not lagging anymore. So let's go back and continue where we left off. So we're on here. We'll change our frame. Oh, this is much better. This is not lagging out now. Yay! Right, I'm gonna set this to 50 and this to 200. So I like that because it's a bit wider. And I'm gonna have the position. I'm gonna change the X so it fits in there nice and snug. See, that's nice and snug there. So I just want to make this look how I want it to, and it doesn't look like how it did, because then it's less ugly. So I'm just going to say minus 50. I like it down in the bottom. So we might move this later on, but this is how final it is now. This can stay here. This title, we're going to change this. This looks a bit different. I'm just going to say X alignment is left. And we're just going to leave it like that. And here we're going to put space. Roll. Play. No. Just because then it looks, I know it's the same thing, but there we go, looks nicer there than it did before. So, and actually if I hit play, I can actually test this. And cutscene editor, I'm in here, and I'm just going to say Supreme Admin, because I'm the Supreme Admin. Supreme Admin. There you go, and then that says on top of me, Supreme Admin. So everyone can see I'm Supreme Admin. So we've set up our roleplay name system now. So, hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of a long one because my computer kept lagging out. Goodbye.